Hello guys and welcome back to lesson 9 of my CapCut beginner masterclass. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add animations and effects to your text in CapCut PC. To begin, come over to the text tab over here and we need to add a simple text. So come over here and select this plus sign to add a default text. To animate this text, come over to this portion over here and change this text to say whatever you want it to say. I'm going to write text animation. And you can scroll down over here to make it bold. You can change the font style to whatever you prefer. I'm just going to leave it at this text. We can change the color over here to whatever we like. I'm going to make this blue. And now we have our basic text over here. We can come over here to adjust the length of our text to fit the duration of our clip over here. The first animation I would like to add to this text is the color animation. We could actually animate the color of this text by coming over to the position where we want the text to begin to animate colors. I'm going to move it to the start over here. And right next to the color over here, we have these keyframes. We could select add keyframe over here and move this playhead to where you want the color to change and change the color to whatever color you prefer. I'm going to select green and deselect it. And as you can see, a second keyframe has been added over here. Now, if we go back to the beginning and hit play, you can see that color gradually change from blue to green. Another kind of animation you could add to your text is a scale animation. So you could go to the beginning of your text over here or wherever you want the text animation to begin and scroll over to this section over here and scroll down until you see scale. And let's assume that we want this text to gradually scale out. So at this beginning point over here, I'm going to change the value for scale to 0 until the text is no longer visible, or leave it at 1 and toggle on this keyframe. And at this position over here, I could move to this other keyframe or any position I prefer and say probably I want at this position for the text to become 100. So I could come over here and increase the value of scale to 100. Now, if we go back now and hit play, you can see what we've created. A simple text animation that allows this text to scale out from 0 to 100. And if you want to create an outro, move over to the point where you want this text to begin to scale out or scale in. And at this position, come over to scale and toggle on the scale value. And let's assume that you want it to, from this position, go back to 0. So move the playhead to wherever you want it to become 0 and come over to this scale property and change it back to 0. And automatically this keyframe has been activated and you can see that another keyframe has been added. So if we go back now and hit play, you see that when it comes to this keyframe over here, it begins to zoom out and becomes invincible once more. Another thing you can do is to make your text animate from left to right or from up to down. You can go ahead and select this keyframe over here and hit backspace to delete it, and select this other keyframe over here and hit backspace to delete it. Now let's assume that you want the text to begin to move from left to right. To do that, I'm going to select my text over here and split it. And at the start of this text over here, I'm going to change the position value of this text. But first, I'm going to add a keyframe and change the position of this text to come from left over here. And let me delete this portion, assuming I no longer need this portion. Select this portion, and I already have my keyframe activated over here. Now, the next thing you need to do is to move your playhead to where you want this animation to end and scroll this text until it scrolls past to the right. And as you can see, another keyframe has been added. If you scroll down over here, next to position, you'll see another keyframe has been added. Now, if we go back here and hit play, you can see our text animates from left to right. If that animation is too fast, to adjust the speed, move the keyframes further apart. And if we hit play, you notice that the text animation is way slower. To make it faster, move the keyframes closer to each other. And now we have a way faster text scroll animation. You could also use this effect to move your text from up to down or down to up. Another animation you could add to your clip is the change in opacity. So for example, let me go ahead and delete this first keyframe because I no longer want any movements. So it's just this position that we have on this text. If we want this text to fade in and fade out in opacity, all we need to do is to come over to opacity over here and toggle on the keyframe next to opacity at this position and select where you want it to no longer be visible and come over here and reduce the opacity down to probably 0, and another keyframe has been added to opacity. So if you go back now and hit play, you'll notice that the text gradually fades out. You could also add a rotation animation to your clip. So I'm going to select this keyframe here and take it out. So we no longer have any other animation. To add the rotation keyframe, come over to this portion over here and scroll up to where you have rotation, and you could toggle on the keyframe next to rotation and move further in time and rotate this text over here. And if you go back now and hit play, you'll notice your text rotates. So basically, if you move this keyframe apart, it's going to reduce the speed of the animation. You could also use the animation presets by coming over here to animation, and under in over here, we have some animations that you could add to your text. But to use this, I'm going to come back to my text over here and delete these keyframes. So we have a basic text now without any keyframes on it. So you could come over to animations over here and select from any of these animation presets. So if I apply this typewriter effect and come over to the start over here and hit play, you can see this text animation effect applied. And if you want it to become slower, you can increase the duration over here and you can see it happening more gradually over here. You could also select from other presets over here. We have the fade in over here. You can see the text fading in. If you scroll down over here, we have the pop-up text over here, and we have our text popping up. That looks too slow. I'm going to increase the speed over here, and now we see it popping up faster. We also have the outro over here, which we show at the end of our clip. For example, if you select this effect and scroll to the end of your clip, you can see the effects applied over here. We also have a lot of text presets over here. So basically, you want to try all of them and see which one works best for your clip. You could also add some text effects by coming over text over here and coming down to effects over here. And we have a lot of cool effects that you could add to your text. For example, we have this outline over here. You could come over here and select this. You could come over here and select this text effects. So basically, that's it, guys, on how to add animations and effects to your text in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.